Limpopo, 74% of the people who voted for the ANC in this province. And that is why we must make sure we don't fail them at all costs. That's not arrogance. When I say we will fix the problem of the province, it's not arrogance. Sorry, I don't need an outsider, I'll fix them myself. If ke a palelwa, ke tlo lata president hore mo ke a palelwa, hoba ke late SG Malula, ke re mo ke a palelwa, help us. It is our duty to resolve your problems. Whether it's student problems, whether it's community problems, we are here to resolve those problems. We want this university to be the center of innovation. We want it to be a center of research and a center of enterprise. I still remember some 10 years ago, when we came into this university, this building was not here. I met with the former vice chancellor and I said to him, you know, since I was a medical student, medical school, Medusa ya mejiwa the University of Limpopo, mejiwa happen. Because some of us ask a question, how can you have a university in another province called Gauteng, but using an address of another province called Northwest? Geographically, it was in Northwest, because Nelly Kwako Rampua, it was using an address of Northwest, but being in Gauteng, and physically in Limpopo. Demage them. They were demaged by your listening government. From there, after demaging, but our medical school must be here. I don't know if we have medical students here. I came here and met with your management, and I said together, we can build this campus. That's why you see my picture there. It's because we worked with the university here and said, we're going to have the first ever post-1994 medical school. It's this one, Yamo Limpopo, because of the work that we did as the ANC and working with SASCO at that time. After that medical school, some people say they went to report us via higher education, via HPCSA, via requalified. I went there. He's in retirement pension, but I went there with him. We made a sit-in and we came with a university. So that is why we are proud of this university. We want it to be a center of excellence and a center of innovation. We want it to continue to produce the best amongst the best. We understand where this university is coming from, and we know where we want this university